Most UAE business owners think Stripe is the only serious payment gateway option. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, many businesses in the UAE actually use regional payment providers because approval can be easier, local support is stronger, and Middle East payment coverage is sometimes better. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a payment gateway only because influencers mention it online. Because the wrong provider can create failed payouts, slow approvals, or checkout problems that hurt your business. In this video, I'll compare 3 major Stripe alternatives for UAE businesses in 2026, PayTabs, HyperPay, and Moyasar, so you can understand which one fits your business best. And trust me, each platform shines in completely different situations. Let's start right away. First is PayTabs. PayTabs has become one of the most recognized payment gateways in the Middle East region. For example, Alex runs a UAE e-commerce store selling electronics and chose PayTabs because it supports regional payment methods and local business operations smoothly. Now here's where it gets interesting. PayTabs often works well for businesses targeting customers across the Gulf region. It supports multiple payment options, integrations, and regional currencies. But here's the problem. Some users report onboarding and compliance reviews can still take time depending on the business category. This is where most people fail. They apply before their website, policies, or legal documents are fully prepared. Next is HyperPay. HyperPay has become popular for larger e-commerce businesses and apps operating across the Middle East. Users like Jake often choose HyperPay because it supports multiple local payment methods and has strong enterprise-style infrastructure. Now here's where it gets really interesting. HyperPay can work especially well for businesses expecting high transaction volume or regional expansion. But setup and integration may feel slightly more technical for beginners compared to simpler platforms. In a minute, I'll show you which provider is often easiest for smaller online businesses and startups. Now let's talk about Moyasar. Moyasar has grown quickly because many startups and smaller online businesses want a simpler payment gateway experience. For example, John launched a subscription-based SaaS business and preferred Moyasar because setup felt cleaner and easier compared to larger enterprise-focused providers. This is where many entrepreneurs get surprised. Sometimes the biggest platform is not automatically the best option for smaller businesses. But here's the problem. Depending on your business model, international expansion plans, or advanced payment needs, Moyasar may feel more limited compared to enterprise-focused gateways. Now, let's compare them directly. If you want strong regional presence and broad Gulf market support, PayTabs is extremely competitive. If you operate a larger e-commerce business or mobile app with scaling plans across the Middle East, HyperPay becomes very attractive. But if you're a startup, freelancer, SaaS founder, or smaller online business wanting easier onboarding, Moyasar may feel simpler and faster. And this is the key point most people completely miss. The best payment gateway depends heavily on your business type. For example, e-commerce stores, SaaS companies, coaching businesses, and mobile apps all have very different payment needs. Before choosing, always compare payout speed, supported countries, fees, integrations, compliance requirements, and customer support quality. Because changing payment gateways later can become painful once your business grows. So to recap, PayTabs is strong for regional e-commerce, HyperPay works well for scaling operations, and Moyasar often feels easier for startups and smaller online businesses. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which payment gateway you would choose in 2026. And if you want more UAE business and online payment setup guides, check out the next video on your screen.